Welcome to AlphaCars Service Center. My name is Dmitry, and today we're looking at a very rewarding job we're doing on improving the clarity of the headlamps on this very cute Fiat 500. It's a very nice low mileage car, but still due to age, this is 2013, the headlamps had a typical glaze on them. And unfortunately, I did not catch it early, but you can still see on this headlamp, there's a lot of haze pretty much throughout. And the same is true for the fog lamp. It's not as bad as we have seen them on some other vehicles, but you can see they turn much brighter and clearer once we complete the polishing. And as you can see, we protect the adjacent panels, the paint on adjacent panels, with heavy-duty 3M tape. And then we do pretty much machine polishing, 3-stage compound, and they look really nice once we're done. And this car is certainly very fine and very cute example.
And now the polishing of the headlights is all done on this cute little Fiat, as Dmitry mentioned. He did an awesome job starting this video out. They were still a work in progress during his segment, so now these are the finished product. We can really see it looks like the day they rolled out of the factory, rolled out of the showroom. You can see there's no like pitting or haziness to speak of. I love the design of these as well. This car is it's a very attractive little car. I like the design of these, and they're a lot of fun to drive as well, even though it is, of course, the normal 500, not the Abarth. And we did polish the taillights just to, once again, really make them match the rest of the vehicle and the finish. We can just see, you would never know that this vehicle was just a daily driver. At some point, it looks like it's just been in the in the showroom. It's in such nice shape. So that's all we have for you in this video. If your headlights are cloudy and you'd like a free quote, just give us a call at 978-263-9000. We'd be happy to discuss that with you. But this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough showroom, and until next time.